Imagine you could create a cinematic, mind-blowing video from literally one sentence. No camera, no actors, no editing, nothing. Just you, your phone, and Sora AI. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to make insane videos with Sora, step by step, down to the exact taps and prompts you can copy. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to create stuff that honestly looks unreal. Okay, before we dive in, here's what you're getting today. I'm going to give you a few video ideas you can steal right away. I'll show you exact prompts that work really well. Then I'll walk you through Sora click by click. What to tap, where to paste your prompt, how to add yourself using Cameo, how to export, everything. And at the end, I'll show you some quick tips to get way better results. Alright, let's jump in. So first, ideas. Keep your ideas simple. Sora loves a clean scene, a mood, and one small action. For example, here's an idea you can grab. A cinematic slow-mo reveal. Picture a rainy neon street at night and a character walking toward the camera in slow motion. The lights are reflecting off the ground, the camera slowly pushes in, the music swells. Super dramatic. A perfect prompt for that would be cinematic slow motion reveal, rainy neon street at night, protagonist in a long coat walks toward the camera, shallow depth of field, film grain, slow dolly in, dramatic orchestral swell, 12 seconds. You can literally copy that. And one more idea, a surreal loop. Imagine objects floating in a warm living room, everything moving slowly, and the video loops perfectly so you can watch it over and over. The prompt would be surreal seamless loop. Furniture floating in a sunlit living room, warm light, soft ambient sound, camera slowly orbits, perfect 8-second loop. Alright, now let's actually make something. I'm gonna walk you through Sora step by step. If you're on your phone, just open the Sora app. If you're on desktop, open Sora in your browser. When it loads, hit the big plus button or the create button. That takes you to the text to video screen. Now you'll see a big text box. This is where you paste your prompt. If you want to use one of the prompts I gave you, paste it in. If you want to start from an image or a video, tap the little plus icon next to the prompt box and upload your file. Sora will use that as a base. If you want the video to have certain camera movements, just add that to your prompt, like dolly in, wide shot, or close up. If you want sound that matches the action, write something like synchronized sound effects or ambient soundtrack. Sora reads all of that. Now you're ready, just tap generate. You'll see the progress bar, and after a few moments your video appears in your drafts. Tap it to watch it. If you want to change something, hit edit or regenerate. Adjust the prompt, try a different angle, play around until you find the version you love. When you're happy, hit export or share and save it to your phone or upload it directly to your social platforms. Let me give you a couple more prompts you can use. Here's a cinematic hero shot, cinematic slow motion reveal, rainy neon street at night, protagonist in a long coat walking toward camera, shallow depth of field, slow dolly in, dramatic orchestral swell, photorealistic, 12 seconds. Here's an anime fight. Retro anime mid-shot sequence. 2 fighters exchange blows in a neon dojo, speed lines, impact frames, 3 fast cuts, punchy drum hit, 10 seconds. And here's a product style loop. Seamless 8-second loop. Floating sneakers, rotating above a marble table, warm sunlight, soft ambient whoosh on the loop, close-up orbit. Couple quick tips before we wrap up. If Sora blocks a prompt, it's usually because you used a real person's name or something copyrighted, so keep it original. If your prompt is too vague, add camera terms like close-up or crane shot. That helps a ton. And if you want a perfect loop, always write seamless loop and the exact duration. Alright, that's everything you need to start creating insane videos with Sora. Try the prompts, experiment with scenes, and let me know what you make. I'd love to see it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video.